katakutan. Dumidiskarte. Laban sa King Hoops. Pass to number 10 seconds on the shot clock. That could rebound by Katakutan. Katakutan pa rin. May nakuwang foul.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Number 18, Caro Urrutia. Nakita si Abariento sa ilalim. May nakuwang foul. Sino? Number 14. Holding foul by Cabanes. First personal foul by Cabanes. First team foul. Sarap sampalin ni Joar. Sorry. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Urrutia, rebound by Cabanes. Caro, 10 seconds. Urrutia, not good. Rebound by Caro. Coach Caro, kanya pa rin ang bola. Dumidiskarte, kanya pa rin ang bola. Nakuha ni Cabanes. Cabanes, nakita si Tupay. Magdamo. Not good. Rebound by Cabanes. Set for the play, looking for his teammate. Pass to Silian. Balay, not good. Rebound again by Cabanes. Not good. Nice follow up by Katakutan. I-score na kaya ang King Hoops Camp. Abarientos, didiskarte. Abarientos, not good. Inaalan pa. Balay, Katakutan to Bagamo. May nakuha foul, may number 12 seconds. 3 para kay Bagamo. Urrutia. May nakuha foul by number 14. Cabanes. Substitution. Second personal foul by Cabanes. Second team foul. Second person. Lastro. Basket count para kay Urrutia. Pass to Magdamo. Not good rebound by number 18, Caro. Pinababa ang bola, nakita si Yayong. Steal by number 10, Balay. May nakuha foul by number 31, Katakutan. First personal foul by number 31, 30 foul. Basket. 2 points para kay Abarientos. Pascual. Rebound by Bintoba. Pass to Urrutia. That could rebound by Balay. Balay. Nagmamadaling pinababa. Balay. 2 points para kay Balay. Balay. Bola ng King Hoops. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Steal na naman ng Senate Pascual. Pass to Balay. Not good rebound by Yayong. Yayong set for the play. Pass to Abarientos. Not good. Laban kay Mindova. Abarientos pa rin ang bola. Not good. Rebound by Mindova. Pascual, kanyang bola. Zigzaging moving pass to Malay. Not good. Rebound again by Mindova.
2 points para
Rebound by Abarientos. Wala na naman ang bola. Inaalat. Pascual, kanya bola. Pascual, tumira for 3. Not good. Rebound again by Malay. Nakuha ni Yayong. Yayong may nakuha foul. Sumabit substitution. Imano. Kataputan yun. Second personal foul by Kataputan. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Foul by number 2. Pushing foul by number 2. 2 foul. Penalty. First personal foul by number 2. Penalty. 5 minutes and 48 seconds to our first quarter. Substitution. Pass to Mendoza. Nandiyan pala si Mendoza. Ang dami mga 3-pointer ng Senate. Mendoza pa rin ang bola. Save ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pushing foul by number 3. Campanias pa. Ten seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Checo Pascual. Piano Asisto. Pare Lalay Pan. Seal Urrucha. 2 points para kay Urrucha. Checo Pascual. Rebound by Mendoza. Two-ball pass to Mendoza. Jacob Pascual. Jacob Pascual. Panis, Gagawa, Kiano, Asisto. Foul by number 4. Holding foul by Mendoza. Penalty. 3 minutes and 47 seconds to our first quarter. 23-7 in favor of the Senate. Mendoza set for the play. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Pascual. That's good. Bola ng King Hoops. Two points. Yayo. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Points para kay Urucha.
Uy! Abot ka!
10 seconds on the shot clock. Jacob Pascual. Substitution. Number 11. Second personal foul by number 11. Warning for penalty. Foul by number 18. Penalty. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng PH3 Ball Club. And the Sunday clock. Basket count para kay Mendoza. Pushing foul by number 02. Substitution. Penalty. 1 minute and 47 seconds to our first quarter. 26-12 in favor of the Senate. Second personal foul by number 02, Tupa. Basket count by Aparietos. Urucha. 2 points para kay Urucha. Pass to Mendoza, set for a play. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Jacob. That will rebound again by Dairit. Ito na si Dairit. Pass to Caro. Caro for the win. That will rebound again by Dairit. May nakuha foul by number 7. Jacob Pascual. Piolo Pascual. .59 seconds remaining time. Basket count para kay Dairit. Seconds. Thirty-five seconds. 30 seconds. Seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Quinto. Foul by number 1. Leicester Scotia. Basket count para kay Ortona. Ortonia. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Foul by number 27. Seconds at the shot clock. Rebound by Nayarit, Quinto. Pinirecho. That good rebound by Milpova. And the finish. Pass to Scotia. Scotia. Pass to number 16 for 2. That good rebound again by Nakim. Foul. Orusha, di discarte. Nakita si wala. Rebound by number 16. Kumina Puerto Rico, to rebound again by Leicester Scotia. Pass to Magdamo, 10 seconds on the shot. Puerto Rico, Magdamo. 13-point lead para sa Dasende. Foul by number, offensive foul by number 11. Leicester Scotia. Timeout. The Key Clubs count. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. 36-20 in favor of the City. 16-point lead para sa the City. To the ball game. Quinto set for a play, pass to Urrucha. Back to Quinto, made up on foul by number 8. 18. First personal foul by number 18, second team foul. Substitution. Ball out of the Kingdoms come. on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Basket para kay Urrutia. Seconds in the shot clock. Seconds on the shot clock. Seconds on the shot clock. Wala pa rin rebound. Bola ng King Hawks. Substitution. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Nice connection. Urrutia. Foul by number 28, Aparientos. Para kay Esposha. Seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Foul by number 6. Substitution. Points para kay Aparientos. Pushing foul by number 4, Yayo. Puyo. Timeout. King Kupsko of the city. Substitution. Seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Urrutia. Pollo. "26 foul." Wow. One point para kay Yayo. Foul by number. Offensive foul ang tinawag by number 26. Second personal foul. Foul by number. Penalty direct. Second personal foul by Bollywood. Points by Caro. Oras po natin 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Malay. Kamera na 3. Wala. Reba by Urrutia. Still by Katakutan. Katakutan. Wala. Reba by Urrutia. Pass to Caro. Urrutia again. Another 2 points by Urrutia. Malay. Na kay Malay pa rin. 10 seconds by the shot clock. Still by Barrientos. Still by Malay. Cabanes. Tumay na lang 3. Wala. Reba by Urrutia. Urrutia nagkatala ng bola. Pass to Caro. Tumira na 3. Wala. Reba by Cabanes. Cabanes na nagtawag pa ng bola. Cabanes pass to Malay. Malay block by Barrientos. Pass to Urrutia. Urrutia umikot. May nakuha foul. May number 41. Katakutan. Time out 7. Third personal foul. Wala ang unang tira. One point para kay Urrutia.
Malay. Pass to Lotario. Easy 2 points by Lotario. Nakaklaro ang bola. Claro. Pass to Tyrene. Bumukol na tres. Wala. Rebound by Orocha. 10 seconds for the shot clock. 5 seconds for the shot clock. Rebound by Gabanes. Pass to Malay. Malay ang nagbababa ng bola. Malay. Malay pa rin. Still, Vaya Barrientos. Pass to Orocha. Orocha nagdadara. Nasa sarili pa rin ang bola. Pass to Malay. Malay na baba. Malay may nakuha ball by number 3. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul by number 3. Orocha, bumababa ang bola. Orocha, ang number 1, basket 2 points by Orocha. Una kay Malay ang bola, 50 seconds. Ang lakas na basa. Seconds. Right by chase, Caro, bumukha ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Lotario. Lotario ang nagkakaba. Dapat rebound ang tinaas ng ating referee. Oras po natin 17 seconds. 15 seconds. Orocha, bumukal na tres. Wala, rebound by Emano. Pass to Malay, still 5 seconds. Direct, bumukal na tres. Travis, basket 3 points. Umayok pa. Still by Direct. Kay Orocha. Orocha, another 2 points by Orocha. Anim na lang ang kalamangan ng Sinig. Dupal. Mendoza, tumira na 3. 3 points by Mendoza. Seconds for the shot clock. Wala, rebound by Low. Butan, pass to Kataputan, another 2 points by Kataputan. Dairi. Orocha, another 2 points by Orocha. Pala nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Mendoza. Tumira. Another 2 points by Mendoza. Nakikaro ang bola. Pass to Orocha. Back to Caro. Tumira ng 3. Basket 3 points by Caro. Pascual. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza to Pascual. Bupal. 10 seconds for the shot clock. Wala. Orocha. Anang bara bola. Orocha. Pass to Bayrit. To Orocha. Bupal. Bupal. Wala. Rebound by Abarrietos pass to Urucha. Urucha umikot. Another 2 balls by Urucha. Mendoza. To Pascual. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by Guillermo. Foul by number. Substitution. Third personal foul para kay Dumpal. First team foul. Pass to David. 10 seconds for the shot clock. Abarrietos. Umigot. May nakuha foul. May number 31. Katakutan. Running for Dragon by Katakutan. Second team foul. Substitution. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Sening.
Shutout para kay Ate Inday.
Thank you. Victor!
Two points para kay Caro.
Mendoza. Back to Tupal. Back to Pascual. Pascual tumira. Defense by Pascual. Nakikaro ang bola. Caro. Still. By Tupal. Bakit Pascual ang bola pass to Mendoza. Mendoza number 2 points. By Mendoza.
Yayo set for a play, looking for his teammate. Zigzag moving to Mira for 2. Down to rebound again by Abarrietos. Pass to Dairit. Laban kay Laban. Yayo for 2. Yayo. 59-55 in favor of the city. Tupa. Simon from the King Home Store. Yayo set for a play. Pass to Dairit. Dairit to Mira for 2. Basket down para kay Dairit. Simon City. Mario pass to Tupa. Foul. Double foul by number 6 and number 28.
Pinagkakawakan po yun. Kaya nagkakalala. Double foul. Orange na yung bola. Go!
Senate ball. 4 minutes and 56 seconds. 61-57. Umiinit na naman po ang kalabanan. Ang labanan. Ito na. Jacob, dumidiskarte, pass to Tupag, back to Jacob, Mendoza, pumasok sa loob, tumira for 3, not good, nagagawa ng dalawa. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Tyree set for a play, looking for his teammate, pass to Iayo, nakita si Urrutia, 5 seconds. Tyree! 2 points para kay Tyree. Dalawa na lang. Exactly, 61:59. Caro for 3. Caro. Lamang na po ang King Hoops ng isa. Offensive foul para kay number 31, Katakutan. Graduate para kay number 31. Out of the city. Points para kay Tupa. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. One-point lead para sa Senate.
Establish tayo ron. Establish.
Lutario. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Offensive foul para kay Urrutia, substitution. Third personal foul by number 11. Jacob Pascua. Seconds on the shot clock. 2 points para kay Tupa. Lumayo na naman. Foul by number 2. Substitution. Third personal foul, second team foul. 1 minute and 41 seconds. Substitution. 71-62. Substitution.
to 1.
Lumayo na naman ng 11 ang Zenit. (73-62). 11 points lead para sa Zenit. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Mendoza. Seconds. Foul by number 11. Hit. Number 10. Velasco. First personal foul by number 10, warning for penalty. Para kay Caro. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Basa na lang po ang inyong maririnig.
Low. 10 seconds for the shot clock. 9 ako, foul by number 2, number 3 pala, sorry. Orocha. Warning by graduate. Seconds for the shot clock. Emano, 2 points by Emano. Dalwis. Pass to Orocha. Orocha, oh my God. Wala, ibabay, Orocha, wala pa rin. Mendoza pass to Mayayo. Na kay Orocha bola. Yayo, another 2 points by Yayo. Ha? Mendoza. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala. Rima by Caro. Pass to direct. Napakalakas ang pasa. Ito, sa ilalim. Emano. Sa Tutusyo. Seconds for the shot clock. Foul by number 6. Third personal foul. First team foul. Unang tira ni Barrientos. Substitution. Velasco. Pass to Magdabo. Velasco. Nasa sarili pa rin pass to Ibano, pass to Magdabo, tumira yung 3. 3 points by Magdabo. Tatlo ka na, Kuya Mau. Save mo lang din ang ating referee. Seconds for the shot clock. Turun sa 3. Wala. Foul by number Urrutia, number 8. Substitution. First personal foul, third team foul. First personal foul, second team foul. Mendoza. Nawala bola. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Direct. Wala. Kay Velasco ang bola. Pasa sa ilalim. Magdabo. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ruba pa yung Urrutia. Urrutia. Save ball ang tinawag ng ating referee. Substitution. Time out. Kinghorns basketball foul. Two points by Urrutia. Direct, 2 points by Direct. Dupan, 2 points by Dupan. Dara, wala. Dupal, tumira 3. Wala. Substitution. Baby, pass to Caro. Two pace by Caro. Seconds on the shot clock. Foul by number 2. Wellington graduate Dupal. 2 points by Bailey. Number 11, Warrington delaying the game. Seconds on the shot clock. Two points by Mendoza. Foul by number 1, Kagawan Escusha. Second personal foul, dirty foul. Timeout, Kingdoms Basketball Club. Mala. Escusha, wala. Mala pa rin, 2 points by Mala. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Foul by Dairi. Second personal foul, third team foul. One minute and 25 seconds. Ordonia. Foul, basket by. Foul by number 4, Mendoza. Winding for penalty. Second personal foul para kay Mendoza. Two points para kay Urrutia. Ay, Ortuña pala, sorry. Seconds. Five seconds, Dairi. Wala. Five seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Magdamo.